It's fine. I have to get to my meeting afterwards.
No, that's fine. I'm gonna take him to the Met after. He's the sweetest man you'll ever meet.
Have you been waiting long?
I don't mind it. It's a beautiful day. I sit here, I watch the people pass by, and then I get to see you, and I smile. Who is this?
This is Adam.
Please, call me Andre. Please, you sit down. Come. You'll sit here. Will you be having something?
Yeah. Just an espresso. Excuse me.
Adam's a filmmaker, very busy and very talented.
Well, that is wonderful. What kind of films do you...
1 second. Hello? Hey. Yeah.
So
45 minutes.
How did you get here? Did you drive?
Well, I want to move
Oh, no, I don't drive. No.
Do you still have the,
3 stops on the
yes,
subway, and I get here pretty quickly from Queens.
Yeah. Hi. Yeah, I'm gonna be there. He can't make it. Yeah. Hey, okay, great. Listen, so we're gonna meet. I'm leaving here in like 5 minutes. All right? Okay, bye. Hey. I know. Oh, 45. I got it.
I'll always be amazed to find that someone sitting across from you would rather talk into this machine than look into your beautiful eyes.
Yeah, I know. Listen, let me call you back in like 5 minutes, okay? Yeah, all right, bye. I'm sorry, I've just been kind of consumed with this project. Yeah. So, where are you from? You're French, right?
No, I'm not French. I'm Belgique. It is close to France, but the accents are pretty much the same.
And when did you come to this country?
Oh, some time ago, some years ago.
Grandpa fought for the Belgium Underground. He fought there until the war was over.
Really? Were there a lot of Jews in the Belgium Underground?
There were quite a number of Jews, and some didn't last long.
Well, that must have been a terrible time.
C'est la guerre. You do what you can do.
Well, I mean, I hope you don't mind me asking, but how did you avoid the concentration camps?
Oh no, I don't think we need to get into it. It's really...
It's okay. It's okay. We were in a labor camp, and we were told it was going to move. We didn't know anything about concentration camps, but there were stories. You know. We were on a train, a boxcar, and we were all packed together. My brother, me, and my father. So the train, after a while, it stopped. They must have had some kind of trouble. I saw my chance, I jumped off. I jumped off and I ran. The Germans were shooting after me, after both of us, yeah? Now, some people ran and got away, some didn't.
So you just made that decision in that moment?
I didn't think there was going to be any other chance for me to get away, so we jumped. Boop.
How long did you have? I mean, before the train started up again?
Just a few moments.
And who jumped with you?
My brother.
What about your father?
He was in the boxcar. He was in the same train with us.
Why didn't he jump?
My mother was in another boxcar, and he wouldn't leave my mother alone.
And your parents,
What about my parents?
just what happened to them?
I'm sure they died when they got there.
And you?
Me? We escaped. Huh? Well, we fought in the war, my brother and me, in the underground until the war was over. And then I got here. I met my wife here. We had a son and one granddaughter. Yes. And I have her here now, sitting here before me, with all the joy and pain in between. Sherry, I think we should get up now. See, yeah. Your grandmother, she thinks I shouldn't be allowed out at night in the dark. She thinks I'm a danger to women. I feel I'm a little puppy, right? But you can never tell. Some moments I am dangerous. Like that. What can we do? Here we